Hello all, this is Ferrari CEO from Japan. Today, I let you know how to avoid replacing engine computer. This makes 6-speed manual conversion very low cost. Ferrari 360 Modena is equipped with 2-engine computer, and they are so expensive. If you prepare genuine engine computer of 6-speed manual model, it costs so much. Now, can you see the gear position indicator? It shows neutral position. The actual gear position is neutral, too. I show you what happens when I shift to first gear. OK, shift to first. And the gear position indicator is still neutral. And then, shift to second. Gear position indicator is still neutral. Shift to reverse, indicator is still neutral. So now, TCU and speed gauge recognize always neutral position whatever gear position is. Dummy signal is being sent to TCU and speed gauge. By this way, you don't need to replace engine computer. From now, I let you know in detail. Can you see the parts on the engine subframe? These are gear selection sensor, component parts of F1 gearbox actuator. In the beginning, detach them. The gear selection sensor includes potentiometer. This detects gear position in accordance with its resistor value. And TCU recognize the gear position with these gear selection sensor resistor value. Fixing the gear selection sensor shaft as the image on the screen, TCU recognize the gear position always neutral. Now gear selection sensor shaft is fixed at neutral position. I show you what happens when I change sensor shaft position. The gear selection sensor is now default position, no fixed. What position the gear position indicator show? Can you see the indicator? Oh sorry, it's hard to see. The indicator is flashing N. This shows the gear position is lost, and the gear position error occurs. In this condition, the fatal trouble occurs. Now turn the key. Oh no! The starter and engine will not rotate. Again, I fix the gear selection sensor shaft at the neutral position. In this way, the gear selection sensor is fixed at neutral. Now, turn the key.
いきますよ。
OK, starter and engine operates normally. This is very important way, as I processed so far. This causes the failsafe logic of TCU. The starter motor and engine will not start when the gear position is other than neutral. Dummy signal is sent to TCU. The speed gauge and the engine operates normally, without replacing engine computer of 6-speed manual model. This gives large impact on the total cost, about 1 million yen cost down. This way also can apply to F430,599 GTB and Lamborghini Gallardo. Someday I will try. See you.